Fashion Week ni adalah satu platform yang sangat penting untuk semua fashion designer di Malaysia. Di sinilah sepanjang tahun kita boleh tengok semua pereka fashion di Malaysia akan bersemangat untuk menghasilkan koleksi sepanjang tahun untuk tahun 2022, 2021 dan sebagainya. Dan Hatta rasa usaha itu tidak boleh dihentikan, perlu diteruskan. Langkawi adalah salah satu destinasi yang dipilih sebab Hatta memang sukakan Langkawi. Langkawi kita semua tahu Langkawi memang cantik, salah satu pusat pelancongan tumpuan bukan kata di Malaysia saja, dunia. Tujuan Hatta pergi kat sana adalah untuk mengutip plastik botol yang akan dikumpulkan untuk menghasilkan koleksi di pentas KL Fashion Week nanti.
How it came about the collaboration with the resorts, right? Especially in the Langkawi, we managed to have the support coming from Pelangi Beach Resort, Mr. Kirin, the Executive Assistant Manager, which helped together, to bring this mission together. They have been doing this conservation, especially every morning. Hence, when we came along together, this is a good collaboration that actually we work along to bring the movement and the mission of Oceanus greater as well.
Hi, I'm Kirin Pancha and I'm the Executive Assistant Manager of Pelangi Beach Resort and Spa Langkawi. Our hotel has been involved in waste management initiatives by clearing up the beach on a daily basis. We are excited to join hands with OHSOM Beach Cleanup campaign to promote Sustainable EcoTourism of Malaysia, an initiative supported by the Tourism Malaysia and Malaysia Truly Asia in line with Sustainable Development Goals SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, and SGD 14, Life Below Water. Let us all take action, save the ocean and save the future.
The challenges that we face in Langkawi when we make our way all the way to Kuala Perlis, went up to the jetty, the minute when we were in the ferry, it started to rain. And it never stopped till we left Langkawi. So Tarzan Adventure has helped us much onto the boat, captain, the gas tank, the diving suit and all these equipments. And under the heavy rain, they did their commitment, brought us out, got our footage.
Hi, my name is Adelina Chan as an Ocean Mermaid Ambassador and also a diver lover. In order to leave a good memory under the sea, you need to protect our entire ecosystem. So this opportunity for me to dive as happily and also picking up rubbish under the sea. So protect our sea creatures in order to have a better ecosystem. I have done my part, so now it's your turn.
I'm an ocean hero.
I'm an ocean hero.
Save the ocean
and save our future.
All the challenges that we have for Langkawi, we hope people can appreciate how beautiful, and we have to keep it clean, all our beaches, so that other people can accept it.
Next stop, Penang and Patterson.